Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at how to export milling patterns to G-code. So in the last video, we made these milling patterns, these two ramps right here. So what we want to do is we want to export this whole setup to G-code for use in Inventables. To do that, simply go to Post Process down here in the bottom. Now you want to set your configuration folder to where the easel driver is. So if you don't have that driver, you need to go to the easel website, download it, and it should be in this folder. If you need help setting this up, contact me or one of the manufacturing leads. So then you set your output folder. This is where the actual G-code file is going to go. I just have all of them stored here on my computer. You're going to set your program name or number. So I'm just going to name this test 1001. Actually, I'm going to call it 2 because I've already actually made one of these files. And then we want to open it in NC file. Open NC file in editor. This is just so we can look at the file right after. Yeah, that's all we have to change on this. So then we hit post process or post. Now this is the file where I have all of my other G codes. We're going to go in test folder, save. Alrighty. So now that should have saved our file. Notice it opens here. Now, remember that previously we set our, if we go back here to our ramp, our cutting feed rate was 500. You can see 500 right here. This actually corresponds to the first setup, or sorry, the first ramp. However, you can change this number manually. And so say you want to set this to 800 because 500 was a little too slow. You have now changed your cutting feed rate for the machine. So you have to be really careful with this because, say you're at 500 and you accidentally add a 0, 5,000 is really fast and you could possibly break your CNC machine. So there is benefits in manually editing this code in some portions, but I would not recommend doing so. I'd recommend doing it all through Fusion. So yeah, this is how you export your G-code. If you want to make manual edits, you just save it, exit, and that's it. You're then going to take this code and import it into Inventables. And I'll go over that in another video. Thanks, guys.